Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So from the title of the video you probably already know that we're doing, well, I'm going to be doing, not you, maybe you, who knows. I'm going to be doing a rose kind of cut crease. Some of you might have already seen from my Instagram that I did a sunflower cut crease, so I'll just show it here for you guys. That look was inspired from one of my favourite YouTubers, and I will link that below and you can have a little stalk if you want. I decided that today I'm going to try and do something quite similar but also a little bit different. So we're going to do like a little rose cut crease. Yeah, so we're just going to jump straight in and hope you enjoy. Okay, so I zoomed you guys in a little bit, and today I'm going to be using the James Charles Exmorph palette. Let's see how we go. I'm going to take the shade, I'll just show you. So it's very vibrant and we love that. We do. Okay, so I'm going to take the shade Canvas, like so, and just pop it into like the crease. So like with this one you want to go like above the crease and you're going to make like a little wave. So it's going to be like that. I know it's not really springtime yet, but I wish it was, so that's why we're doing this today. So you can see you've kind of got, like, any mistakes you make is going to be cleaned up with concealer anyway, but you know, we're starting out with this little wave shape on your face. It's going to blend it out with a flashback. Love that. So the next shade we're going to take is Pinkety Drinkety. I literally love all the shade names in this. So this looks really weird at first. You're gonna look stupid, but it's gonna look really nice, hopefully. So the next shade I'm gonna take is Skip. Probably see like you've got a bit of a wave shape now, and yeah, it looks good. I'm gonna take is You're Kidding, and again I'm just using that to like deepen it up so when you actually come to cut it out with the concealer you actually can still see it. So you can see it like really kind of gives it a bit of darkness, but I don't know what I'm saying. I actually have really bad like dry eyes at the moment, and I don't know whether it's because of the weather or not, but probably shouldn't be putting makeup on them, but here we are. And then finally I'm gonna drop my brush, hand back. This is really pretty. So the next thing I'm gonna do just to really darken it, No Beans is the shade name. I'm gonna put No Beans into I actually just had to take an hour and a bit break because my camera battery decided to have a moment like we all do, so I'm going to carry on from where I left off. The shade No Beans, and I'm just going to darken up that crease again. Did anyone see the Jeffree video on the E.L.F products? Because I'm obsessed. I need those products in my life, literally. I'm gonna try and cut my crease now. you know, that if you don't cut your crease and you're just trying to get started, like, it's a slow start, but I mean, when you get there eventually. Whew. So I'm going to be using the Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm going to be using one of the sofie brushes as well. I mean, it's not clean at all. I'm probably going to use a smaller brush as well. I normally use a thicker, like, concealer brush, but where I don't want to mess up, I'm going to do a small brush. God, I'm nervous. Okay, so you can kind of see that my line is like really above like the crease. So I don't want to say that any more times. I'm happy with the shape. So yeah, let's get some flowers drawn on finally. Next thing I'm going to be doing is taking a gel eyeliner, like so. It's kind of like a blacky brown colour, so you want to use something like that. And then I'm going to be taking this detailed brush. Again, it's a E.L.F brush, and you just want to, what we're going to be doing is drawing like, I'll go for six dots all the way around. Let's give it a go. That's one. I'm scared, this is really hard. And you want them to be like, maybe like a nice distance apart, but not too much. Okay, so I have my little part of the flower in now. On to the next step, which is again very stressful part. All the liners that apart from the gel liner, it's just the gel liner is just some random like drugstore liner. Liquid liners today, I will be using NYX Vivid Brights. I'll be using a pink and a green. Really cheap. I think they're about like £6 each. Pink colour first. So pretty. This is where I have a cry and breakdown, because this is like the hardest bit. The petals, I literally just kind of doing like loads of little lines so that you don't have to do like intricate sort of details, because I'm not about that life. If it messes up, I'm going to be very, very, very annoyed. Oh my god, can you see that? Why is that my eyes? I'm gonna clean that up 1 second. My camera ran out of storage, so we're back to the challenge of doing petals. Back to it. All the flowers done. And they're quite big. Great. So the next thing I'm going to do is add the petals in. So I'm literally just going to do like little circles so they look like flowers, but they probably, I mean, so they look like leaves, but oh my god, I have green on my face. So the next thing I'll probably do is just pink liner and then mascara to finish. To do this eyeliner, I'm going to be using the Hi, How Are Ya? in the Jeffree Star Velour liquid lipstick. I might go off camera and do it actually, so I'll be right back. Okay, so I've just added the eyeliner and now I'm going to pop a bit of highlight under the brow bone and the inner corner. I'm going to be taking the shade Ring Light from the palette. Just going to pop that. Pop in. Okay, so this is the final look on this side. I'm going to just, I say quickly, I've been doing this all day. I'm just going to do the other side off camera really quick and then I'll be back. So I'll see you in a sec. Hey! Okay, so this is the finished look. I've put some, my hair is literally disgusting. I've put some Benefit highlighter on. I've got the Anastasia Beverly Hills lipstick on, matte lipstick, some blush as well. This is the finished look, so thank you very much again for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Then of course a like and subscribe would be really appreciated, please, and hopefully get some more videos out to you guys soon. So thank you very much for watching. See you later.